At Minnillo and Marshall, we're able to do single-day crowns. There's no need for a temporary, there's no need for waiting 2 to 3 weeks. We're able to produce a crown in the same day. You leave the office with your final crown. We're using modern technology and we're able to mill the crown in office with a CEREC mill.
With the CEREC mill, we have the luxury really with our technology to give people, in most cases, their crown 2 hours later. They come in, get them numb, 2 hours later they leave with their tooth.
What we do is we prepare your tooth for a crown and then we scan the tooth instead of an impression. Once we scan the tooth, we're able to produce the crown with our mill in-house. The benefits of having our in-house mill is that we can provide that crown immediately. We can get you that crown the same day without you having to wait for the crown from a lab.
Some people come in through hygiene, they know they need the crown, and they can schedule it conveniently. But other times it's the tooth breaks, their kid's leaving for spring break in 3 days and they know they need to be ready to go with them for their family vacation. And with the CEREC technology, we can have them ready to go on that family trip. If you ever aren't really sure what you might need in terms of your dental health, come on in, talk to us. Always happy to give consultations.